Hey everyone, Tom here, and today we're going to talk about servicing the dosatron injector. Now we get asked quite a bit, how often should I replace the seals in my unit? There's a couple answers to that. One, the dynamic injection seals, which include the plunger seal and the check valve components, should be replaced every 6 to 12 months depending on usage. These seals are important because these create the injection process and are directly interacting with your chemical. So we want to make sure that those are new and maintaining that accuracy. These can be found in the mini maintenance kit. In the full seal kit, we have some watertight seals as well as our dynamic seals. This should be replaced every 2 to 3 years, again, depending on usage. We also have piston service kits. Now these kits typically are replaced every 3 to 5 years, but that can vary depending on the installation and the normal usage of the unit. With any questions, as always, you can give us a call or shoot us a message directly online, and thanks for watching.